The purpose of this video is to discuss worst case complexity. So the general definition for worst case complexity is that you usually want to get something done with the least amount of effort or time and as fast as possible. So generally, that could be anything from cooking, cleaning, working, or random tasks around the office. Maybe you want to get the name or number of the girl across the hall. All these things and more you want to do with the least amount of work. In computer science, the worst case complexity is usually denoted in asymptotic notation. So an algorithm takes time and it takes up memory. Algorithms that run faster than others are usually the ones chosen in the business world or in robotic measurements. It gives an upper bound on the resources required by the algorithm. So here's an example, right? Let's say you're on vacation. Or let's say that your school just let out on break and you want to go somewhere. You could fly, you could take the train, you could take a boat, or you could drive. Now let's say this place is a foreign country. Worst case is you'll end up having to either drive or take a train. You don't want to do that. You would prefer to get there as soon as possible and as easily as possible. So you would either fly or take a cruise. Here we have a chart of the different notations that we use when we describe worst case complexity. You have constant time, logarithmic time, linear, quadratic, and cubic. Constant time being the fastest. So just to go over really quickly, worst case complexity is about efficiency. Things that you want to ask yourself are, is there an easier way to get the job done? Has anyone done this before? How many times will this function have to call itself? How many times will this function have to be called before you get the required or wanted result? After asking these questions, you'll be able to find the best solution to your algorithm, your problem, and that's what we get paid to do. Thanks for watching.